Welcome to episode 9 of Why Would Ya Wednesdays, where we show you things we bring on a cruise that are part of our permanent packing list that others might say, why would you bring that?
Why would ya? Howdy, y'all.
Now, in today's episode, have you ever got a little hot on a cruise? If so, this one might be for you. Stay tuned.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. For those who are new here, my name is Mitch from the KAM Fam, and this is Why Would You Wednesday, where we show you items that are on our permanent packing list and others might say, why would you bring that? So, today's item, if you've ever been in a cruise cabin, sometimes they get a little bit warm. And I'm somebody who likes to sleep cool. I want a blue blanket on me. And I can't have a blue blanket if that room is hot. So sometimes you just need a little more air circulation. So our item today is a magnetic cruise fan. That's right, guys. And this one, you can get normal fans, but I'm telling you, this one here, this has changed the way we cruise. So it is your normal fan that you can power on. And it puts a cool breeze. Ooh, that feels good. Now, this thing is USB powered, so we can power it up on the ship in our room. But here's the greatest part. It's magnetic. For those of you who missed out in an earlier episode, the rooms are metal. So guess what? Oh, I stick this thing to the top. I turn this down, and I got a built-in ceiling fan in my room. That's right. Or I put it on the wall, or I put it wherever I want. And we got cool air blowing all over. Now, some of you might be saying, Mitch, what about on the open deck? If you want to bring this to the open deck, bring it. But for the open deck, we have other fans that we bring. That's right. We got a KAM Fam fan. If you want a KAM Fam fan, maybe you should become a KAM Club member, and one might show up in your mailbox. Guys, now do remember, there are certain places you cannot bring a fan. So the dance club, no clap fans. Don't be bringing it into the MDR. They don't want you hitting somebody getting hurt. But you're out on the open deck sweating, this will do the job. But that magnetic one is going to change the way you sleep in a cruise cabin. So we showed you on this episode of Why Would You Wednesday our magnetic fan, and now we want to hear from you. So comment down below. Is a magnetic fan or just a fan on your packing list? Or are you going to go out and get one? Because I'm going to put the link to ours in the description down below. Maybe you want to order the same one. Or is it something you're saying, why would you bring that? You're wasting space.
Why would ya?
Let us know, guys. But thanks for watching again. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, we'd greatly appreciate it. We'll see you back next Wednesday, 12:34 Central Standard Time, for another edition of Why Would You Wednesday. Bye, guys.
Why would you Wednesday?